Thank you for logging in. In today's podcast, I'm looking at the factor theorem. The following are exam questions. In the first question, we're asked to find the value of p given that x minus 1 is a factor. Here, we'll evaluate f of 1, and that will give us 2 take away 1, add p, add 6. This can be simplified to 7 add p, and from here we can see that p equals minus 7. We can rewrite the function f of x as 2x cubed minus x squared minus 7x plus 6. The second part of the question asks us to find the remainder when we divide by 2x plus 1. Here we'll use f of minus a half and that will give us minus 2/8 minus a quarter plus 7 halves plus 6. This is the same as minus a half add 9.5. So f of minus a half will leave us with 9. For this one here again, we're asked to show that x plus 4 is a factor. And here, if we take f of minus 4, that will give us 2 lots of negative 64 plus 16. And you need to be careful here. It is negative 25 times by negative 4 plus 12. And as you tidy that up, you'll notice that will give you 0. So we've shown that minus 128 add 128 is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 4 is equal to 0, which implies that x plus 4 is a factor. The second part you can do either by algebraic division or again by comparing coefficients. So taking the original function, 2x cubed plus x squared minus 25x plus 12, and expressing that as the linear and the quadratic. Now, in terms of the ax squared, We know that's going to be 2, so you can do that straight away. And you'll also be able to work out the c value. Since we need to get 12, we've already got 4, so it'll be 2x squared plus bx plus 3. And now comparing coefficients of the x, on the left hand side we have negative 25, and on the right hand side, if we multiply the x and the 3 together, we get 3, and if you multiply the 4 and the b together, you get 4b. And tidying that up, you get negative 28 equals 4b, which means b equals negative 7. So rewriting that quadratic, we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. The factors of 3 we have are 1 and 3. Now we have 2x, and that will give us a 2x squared. And you'll notice the value of the 3 is positive, but the middle term is negative. So it will be the 2 and 3 to give us 6, and then the 1 and the x will make the 7, but they will both be negative. And there we have the 3 complete factors, and we'll just rewrite that. I stress that all these have been A-level questions, and you can see that they are really quite straightforward. It's just a case of you developing your technique and becoming sharper. I hope that you found this useful. If you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to email me. Thank you very much.